Hey friends, welcome to the platform of R. Pandey. Today's our topic is India's own navigation system, Navic. Earlier we are using the GPS, so let's talk about some the important feature of the GPS. GPS is the global processing system and it is the navigation system of the USA. In starting we use only for the military purposes, but later on we use in a local things to locate the area, and not only in India but also the many part of the world. So why we need our own navigation system, Navic? So in 1999, in a Kargil war, we want the help for the USA for the navigation of or tracking of the location, but USA has directly denied for that and not give any help. So we want at that time we have their own navigation system. So now India has launched their own navigation system, Navic. Not only India, not only USA, there are many countries in the world who has their own navigation system. Like China has the Baidui, Europe has the Galileo. After that, India has the Navic and USA has the GPS. Now I want to tell you some of the special feature of the Navic. Navic means navigation with India and constellation of the India. It is developed by the ISRO, International Satellite Research Organization. It is approved by the 2006 at the cost of the 1426 crore. Its first satellite is 2013 IRNSSIA. There are the seven satellites in the Navic. Out of that, three are the geostationary satellites and four are the geosynchronous satellites. Now its accuracy and its location, it is India's own navigation system, so it covers the whole part of the India, whether it is town, whether it is a city, whether it is a village or any local area. Afterwards, not only in India, across the India, it covers the 1500 kilometer across the border of the India's. Talking about the accuracy, its accuracy is much better, very much better, less than 10 meter. So now I am going to comparison, or which is better, is Navic system is better than the GPS. So definitely Navic is much better than the GPS. The accuracy of a GPS is not good as compared to the Navic. Navic is less than 10 meter accuracy, whereas GPS is not helpful in a local area or the village, or its accuracy is only the 10 meter. Afterwards, not if I am talking about the Navic system, it can be located up to 0.1 meter, although that much accuracy is only required for the military purposes only. But if I am talking about the comparison, then definitely Navic, our indigenous navigation system, is much good. So this is our today's topic. I hope this will help you a lot. I will meet you in next topic and next update. Till then, bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.